Hey, Praisers Savers, we have a great week this week at CVS, my favorite place. Make sure that you are checking that app for any deals on the app, loading those coupons if you have them. Also, go buy that red box and make sure you scan your card for even more savings. So, this is the first deal I want to talk about today. This is the Advil Junior Pain Relief, the 24 count. It's the little pills in the bottle. You're going to buy one, get one 50% off on this, and it's going to be $5 extra care bucks when you buy two select healthcare items. And there's also a $3 off CVS store coupon on the app. Now, everyone gets this, but try to see if you do. You could try to see if there's any Advil coupons out there, but there was none on the Sunday newspaper. The total cost for each is $1.25, which is 82% savings. All right, now we do these at our house. The melatonin caplets. Sundown Naturals has them for 90 count. They are a BOGO this week. Buy one, get one free. And then there's a ton of them on sale. There's also two coupons out for the Sundown and a $2 off CVS store coupon on the app. Varies by person. So if you do both bottles, buy one, get one free, and those two coupons, they're going to be $1.25 each or 85% savings. So this is a great deal this week on any kind of oral care products. Now, I usually tell my people that I like to buy all of my toothpaste, toothbrush, mouthwash, all of that in one transaction as much as possible. Because what happens is sometimes you'll have a coupon on your app. If you spend $25 on oral care products, they might take off $5. Or if you spend $18 on oral care products, they might take off $4. It varies by people. So no one has the same. But I like to put them all together in one transaction, just hoping that that coupon does come off. So the Colgate mouthwash they're 500 milliliters. They are $4.49 this week. You're going to buy two of those, and when you buy two of those, you're going to use two printable coupons. Some people have newspaper coupons for the mouthwash, and you're getting back $5 in extra care bucks. These coupons can be found on coupons.com, and that's going to be a 99 cents cost for those, so less than $1 for mouthwash, 85% savings. You can do this deal twice, so that means you can get 4 bottles of mouthwash for $1 each. All right, also on the I got the wrong thing here. Sorry about that. It's still going to be, I've got the wrong thing on here, but the Colgate toothpaste, it is going to be $3.99 using $1 off manufacturer coupon that you got in the Sunday paper, making it $2.99. But when you buy two of them, you're getting back $4. So it's going to be 99 cents each for each tube of toothpaste. Making sure you use two newspaper coupons. Now, you can do this deal twice. So that means you can get 4 tubes of toothpaste using 4 newspaper coupons, and they're going to be 99 cents each. All right, the Garnier Fructis shampoo, they're going to be 43 cents each this week, 91% savings. So you're going to spend $15 on select Garnier items, getting back $5 in extra care bucks. This is also going to earn your ways to the Beauty Club savings, 10% off that, and 2% extra care savings. So getting those, it's going to be 43 cents each. You're going to have to buy 2 of them to get the $3 off coupon. All right, now there is a promotion going on right now it's like a women's promotion they were talking about. And when you spend $30, you're getting back $10 in extra care bucks. Now, this is part of it, but the Centrum is something I'm going to focus on this week. The Centrum multivitamins, they are buy one, get one 50% off. There are coupons out there for the Centrum. You can get them from the newspaper, but also the printable coupon is for $4 off on coupons.com. Now you don't have to spend $30 on vitamins. You can get other things, but like diapers and tampons and pads are on this as well. Just look for those tags in your store or in the paper to see which one it is. But I am going to be getting 2 bottles of the Centrum. This is going to be 38 cents each bottle, and that's 96% savings. All right, again, the products this week are on sale. So the Oral-B manual toothbrush select, that's part of the spend 30, get $10 back in extra care bucks. This is a limit of one, so you're gonna do this deal one time. This item earns it's actually $3 towards your $10 extra care bucks. So but it's going to be absolutely free after it is installed in the $30 for the participating items. All right, so next is the toothpaste. Same deal as before. They're $2.99 using that $2 off manufacturer coupon. It's going to be 99 cents, but it also goes towards your $10 extra care bucks for that $30 participating items, making it absolutely free. Deodorant this week, no coupons needed. You can get the Sure or the Brute deodorant. You're going to buy those, and when you buy that, it's $2. You're getting back $2 extra care bucks. You can either do the Brute or the Sure. And I think you might be able to do this deal twice. I'm not certain. Just check your receipt to see. All right. I think the last big deal is going to be on the Covergirl. Now, there is a mystery offer coupon printing out at the red box. For most people, I have a hard time with my red box, but the Covergirl Best Brow Pencils, you're going to buy 2 of those and get back $6 extra care bucks. You're also going to use two newspaper coupons and 10% Beauty Club savings, which makes this free, plus a profit of $1.22. Now, I'm excited about this because I do like Wet n Wild makeup. When you spend $10 or more on any Wet n Wild or Physicians Formula cosmetics, you're going to get a free CVS Beauty adult face mask. There's only a limit of 1 on this, but you got to spend $10 to get it. The face mask is worth $3.99. Also, if you buy 3 select CVS Health, Johnson & Johnson, or Welly First Aid products, you'll get a free CVS First Aid kit. These are $3.99 in value. Make sure you get it. They have 3 different color options. These are great to keep in your car for the summer. All right, guys, that is it for me. Make sure that you have liked this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I'll see you next time.